usual. Play my cards right, I won't lose you. Got them tuning like I'm YouTube. Got some on me like it's voodoo. I go nuts for you.
To the Therealterrry life. In today's video, as you guys can see from the title below, we're going to be doing a mukbang. So, we have seafood from Joe's Crab Shack. We have like fries, shrimp. I'm actually going to show you guys. So, this is the food. I should do. My friend is right here, but my friend is not going to be on camera. Here's your drink. Thank you. But, so I'm in Orange County, and I'm just on vacation. You know, and yeah. I was gonna do another video. I was gonna do like a 24 challenge video again, but at 24 hours. So I was gonna eat like green food for 24 hours. But I didn't want to do that shit.
Why?
I've been eating healthy shit all day.
Okay.
No. I don't like healthy shit, you know that.
You guys, this is not enough food.
But, so I was gonna do that, but, y'all, I just could not do it.
This is not enough food for you.
So I think I'm gonna do orange. This is enough food for you?
Not for you?
That's enough for back. So this is the day after what I was recording yesterday. I just got like really busy yesterday, so I couldn't really finish doing everything that I was recording yesterday. So today I got Joe's Crab Shack again. And I just got some fries. And I got chicken tenders. Then I got them earlier. And broccoli. And they have sweet potato fries, but I don't eat that shit, so yeah. I just got this. I don't have on a shirt because shit, I didn't want to wear one. So we got a fries, and this is a chicken. It's a chicken tender. So yeah. But the last video, the clip before this, I left off. We was talking about the 24-hour challenge, doing the green food, and I said the reason why I didn't want to do that is just because I've been eating like this shit, like broccoli and shit all day, and I'm just not doing that. Like, it's just not me. Also, I wanted to address a couple things regarding me and my merch line. So I don't think I even ever shared this on YouTube, like what really happened. So I ordered everything from this company on Amazon or whatever, and it was my first time ordering from Amazon. And the area that I stay in Raleigh, North Carolina, it's not one of the best areas, but I didn't think, you know, anything bad would happen if I got something delivered. So I got all the stuff delivered to my house. It's maybe like 3 days before everything was supposed to release. I texted my aunt, I had told because I was at work, and I texted her and I told her, you know, to get the packages for me, whatever. And you know, I saw they weren't there, so I had to call the company back, Amazon, you know, and asked them what was really going on. Did they deliver and everything? They said they did. So basically, somebody stole all my packages and everything. So, and it's so funny because I was thinking, I was like, how could somebody steal something? But and it has my name on it. But I haven't seen anybody wearing anything like that or any of my stuff with my logo on it. So I guess at the day that happens, then I found out who actually did it. But that's what really happened with everything that I did with my clothing line. That's what happened. So I'm just gonna wait for the right time to just do everything. Maybe the summer, maybe the winter, you know. But I still need to like figure everything out you know, and even just like starting like a clothing line or some shit like that, like it's an investment. It's a lot of money, and you know, you still want to see like a profit or some shit. So, I had this guy in Raleigh where I stayed. He was gonna do some clothes for me. He was gonna do some shirts for me, and the price per shirt was gonna be $28 that I was gonna have to pay out of pocket. So, to even like see a profit, I was gonna have to charge people like maybe $40, $45, and that's not even really seeing a profit. So it's just like, you know, and plus I don't want to sell some shit for that much just for a t-shirt. So, you know, I'm gonna figure it out. But I'm just in LA. I love it in LA. It's really fun here. I can definitely see myself like wanting to live here or whatever. And yeah, I really love it. But I kind of just wanted to come and just like clear the air and just do this video and just let you guys know what's really going on behind the scenes. I thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time in a real Terry life. I hope that you guys like this video. I hope that you guys like all this food that I showed you guys. And I think my next video, I might do another video out here with my friend, just so you guys can see him. We've been friends for a really long time, and the good thing about like friends that you have for a long time, like, you know, we don't like argue and shit. We argue, but it's not on no real shit. Like, bitch, I'm gonna beat you up, you know. So yeah, but hopefully you guys can see him in my next YouTube video. We could do like a little mukbang, or maybe we could do like a video where like doing like a 24-hour challenge, and me and him both